Hi, my name is Jessica Collier. Today I'm going to be showing my MyCred portfolio. I did have a little issue to begin with. I couldn't figure out how to get things to attach to it, but I think I figured that out. The first thing that I'm going to go over is the educational background. I have had medical office specialist certification through Tri County Tech in Pendleton, South Carolina. I didn't go very far with that. I continued working in a management job. I did decide to go ahead and leave that management job and I went to work for the DMV in South Carolina. And now I have decided to get my associates in business through Bryant and Stratton. And then I will be continuing on after that to get my bachelor's in human resource management. So my goals were to finish my associate's degree in business. That is aimed for May of 2023, and to start my bachelor's degree in human resource management and start that in the summer of 2023. I do live in Pickens, South Carolina. I'm currently a driver's license examiner for the South Carolina Department of Motor Vehicles. I was the general manager of a McDonald's for 7 years, but I did management through that store for 13 years. I was in that same store for 13 years. The owner took us all of his management under his wing and taught us a lot of beneficial things to help us in the management field. Currently in college with Bryant Stratton doing my associates in business. After receiving my degree, I do plan on continuing for my bachelor's, and my career goal is to continue to work for the state of South Carolina in a human resource position, not necessarily with a DMV, but with a state facility. When I was attaching some of the things that I've done since I've worked with Bryant Stratton, the ethics in the workplace was something that I feel like was beneficial to me. I was able to show how much I know about ethics, but also some of the things that I learned. We went through just different scenarios that could happen and how I would react to them. Marketing is very important in the business area. We needed to figure out how we would present something to a boss, and I feel like I did well with that. I feel like if someone were to review this, they would see that I am pretty knowledgeable about the marketing aspect just due to the restaurant business that I did work in. Attached also is my resume. There were some things that I needed to correct in this, and I feel like I've done a little bit better with that since starting this class. Breaking down some of the experiences that I've had in the previous jobs and in the current job that I have, my education, some of my key skills and characteristics that I feel like are beneficial to me. Thank you.